Are you ready, everybody?
Yeah!
Let's start our show. Claire, what are we doing today?
We making scopy and vegetables and fish.
Yeah.
And put it in the steamer.
And the steamer and what?
In water.
Yeah. So we are going to do two things today.
And put it in the
We
grill.
have 4 fish.
Yes.
2 fish we are going to use the steamer.
Yes.
And the 2 fish will be going to use the grill.
Well,
And you have a goat meat.
It smells good.
It smells good.
A fish.
Yeah, we are going to have goat meat here. So this is going to be one among the healthiest food ever.
Yeah, with
We have
lemon.
vegetables
We
here.
have lemon.
So what do we have here today?
Tomato,
We have,
carrots,
this is
and
carrots. I put it
and
here.
tomato.
We have nyanya, tomatoes.
And
We have onion. Lemons.
lemon. I know why lemons.
We have
Peppers?
pepper, green, yellow, and red, and orange.
No, I couldn't say that.
Okay, you can say that.
Orange and yellow and
Green.
and green and red
And what is this one?
and red and green.
Yeah, so we'll put this one.
And
We'll put the celery.
that's white
These one are
garlic.
onions.
And white garlic.
Garlic is here. We'll put also, this is a fresh minced garlic.
I
So it will be perfect. And here we have,
onion.
yeah, you like onions, I know that.
And now it make me fly.
I know. Yeah, there will be some fries a little bit here coming around, but we'll try to make sure that everybody goes away. So, I will show to you how are we going to use our steamer, because many people do not know how to use the steamer. You don't use oil. It's just the steam comes.
What?
Yeah.
What? Really fast.
Yeah, really fast.
What the-
But I will explain to you what will happen if you don't have a steamer. There is a technique.
The technique.
Yeah, we show you the technique. I will show you how we can use this one for people who don't have a steamer.
Yeah.
Yeah. So.
I did coach.
Yeah. So, are you ready?
Yay!
Are you ready, everybody?
Yeah.
Okay, let's do this. Wabi, let's do this.
Say bum. No, I want to do that.
Everybody, let's start now.
With that.
Okay, so in order to do this one, we are going to start with how we can be able to make fish in the steamer.
Yeah. You do it.
This is the cutting board.
Yeah. And this
You'll choose whatever veggies you like or you want to put in the steamer.
Yes.
So
peppers or
you choose whatever you want.
Orange or yellow.
This is your tiny fish. Tiny knife.
Tiny knife.
Yes. So cut in the middle like this one.
Okay.
So cut this one in the middle. Just hard. Oh, you want to do the big one? No.
I see how to do it.
Okay, so what you can do is just you can cut whatever big you want.
Okay. And maybe you flip it that over. I want to do it.
Okay, you can do that one. No, use your right one will be the easiest one, the strong one. Okay. Quick. Keep strong. Okay. Okay. This one, okay?
Oh, I did cut your finger?
No. Okay, so what we do like that way. So
we got peppers. I did cut the peppers. I did got. Oh, I want to do that.
Do this way.
Okay. Oh.
Okay, careful.
Ta-da. Oh, that cut. I did to that.
Okay, so.
And another one.
Cut to this one. So there is no proper way how you want it to do. You do whatever you want. But the point is you want to make these veggies into the...
In the
steamer. Yeah.
Yes, I did it.
Okay, so quick way.
And need a green pepper.
Yeah, get green pepper.
You go
to the green pepper, Missy.
I go do the yellow one.
Okay, I'm doing green. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Cut it. Careful with your fingers. Let me help you. Yeah. Keep it strong. And you are sous chef Crea, right?
Yeah.
Crea who? Tell people your name.
I'm playing my little soup set.
Yeah, Crea Makulilo sous chef.
Oh.
Careful with your fingers.
But
Yeah. Okay, let me finish. Ow!
oh, Baba, I'm going to do that. I have to do that.
So,
I'm going to do that one. I want to do that one.
this one? Okay, cut
Like
it.
it. Look, I'm not going.
Cut it. Yeah, okay.
And
So-
I'm going to.
Okay. Put it away.
This again.
Okay, keep cutting that one.
Okay. Wait, this. Right there.
Okay, we are back back
back.
again to continue. Okay?
Yeah.
So for those who don't have the steamer,
We
this is the steamer. I will show you how to use it.
did the
What this steamer has, Crea, what did we put inside here?
water.
Yeah, so you put just water over here, and then there is a cord is going to the electricity.
Yeah.
Yeah, so that is something. So when you turn this on,
Yes.
we'll put this one this way.
Wait, this way.
When you turn it on, you haven't turned it on yet. We'll put our fish, one fish here, another fish where? Here. So two.
And
The two will put it there on the grill.
yeah.
So the water will be boiling here.
Oh, yeah.
The steam goes up.
Yeah.
The fish is going to be cooked well done.
It's going to be
Yeah, with the steam.
It's going to be crunchy.
Yeah, it's gonna be. It will be not very crunchy.
Oh,
Yeah, it's not fried food. You see.
yeah.
Yeah, so you're going to put that one. It's going to cook
What
by
is-
steam. Yeah.
In a plow in the air.
Exactly.
Yes,
So, but some people don't have steamer, Crea.
Yeah.
So what is the technique? You take the pot like this
Pot?
one.
Like that.
You put water.
Water?
Yes. And then you put on the stove.
Yes.
Turn it on. But then you find something like this one or something like this one. It's okay either way.
Okay.
Then you put it this way.
Maybe like this.
No, just wait.
With this.
So when this one, the water comes on this one, the water it will be boiling. The steam goes to heat here, and you put your fish here. And then you find another pot you put on top, or you can cover like this way.
I want. Maybe we covered.
Yeah, you can cover with this one, or so it will be like this one for those who don't have a steamer. So you can use your homemade at home. Do it. Don't have any excuse why you cannot be able to do that. Okay.
Yeah.
So, but because you have the steamer, we don't use this one. I just want to show you how you can be able to use other things without any problem at all. So now let's back to what we are going to do. So we are going to put our veggies. Crea start by putting, let's put it from here and then we'll move them there. So we start with this one.
Yes.
Put some of those ones, like, let's put like this one. Okay, 3. So I like to put
And
these
some
veggies.
lemon?
Not lemon, not now. Lemon we put at the top.
Okay.
Put some carrots.
Like this.
Yeah, put some few carrots over there.
And I'm going to make my leaf.
Yes.
Wait.
Okay, you can put some of these one, like tomatoes. Yeah, those are enough. Bell peppers. Let's put the tomatoes too. So there is no
And this pepper.
red pepper.
Red pepper.
Yeah, put that
we
one.
have
No, it's
this.
okay. Leave it there.
Oh,
it's okay.
wait.
Yellow. So you can put like
And onions?
yeah, put onions too. Yeah. So once you finish putting like this way, what you do? You put the fish.
And
So
put the
I'm going to
fish
put the
in.
fish. I don't want to touch.
Yes, I'm going to see the eye. Yeah. I'm not going to eat the eye.
So you take the fish. There are different ways on how you can be able to do this fish. Number one,
I'm not going to eat the eye.
number
'cause
one,
it's
you
disgusting.
can
I'm not going.
season.
I would not want
You are
to
not
eat
going
the
to
eye.
put the eye.
Yeah, because it's guessing.
Yeah, okay, we'll use something else.
Yeah.
So,
Some garlic.
so we have garlic here. So it depends what season you want to put. You can put
some fish or some garlic.
so,
It's wrapping.
yeah, so you can put the fish. So you see, it's very big fish.
Yeah.
So because
it had
it's big
teeth.
like that way, let
had
me
teeth. Had teeth.
a little bit
Had teeth.
remove this small part.
Yeah, because we not want to eat that.
It's
It's
yeah. So a little bit is bigger fish. So let's try to put
yummy
that
fish.
over there.
Yeah.
So from there,
And some garlic.
yeah. So
Yes, I like garlic.
some garlic.
I know what garlic. I want to do it. Play hard.
take some over there. I didn't bring the spoon. That's the problem. Okay, so let me help you.
Here. And another one. That for me.
Yes. Okay, put them there.
I want to do that one. I want to hold it. I want to hold it. Now wait.
Oh. Okay, so that's, I mean, it should be more than enough.
That
No matter
enough.
how you put.
Oh, wait.
And
If I'm
then
going to eat that.
we are going to put this green pepper. I mean, those ones. So you can add some of there, here and there.
More.
And then you can put, we have celery somewhere here.
And somewhere in
Yeah, here, put some celery.
here.
Yeah, so let's see how big it is.
Yes. Oh.
It's too big, you see?
Yeah.
So you have to remove some of the stuff there.
Yeah. Because it's so big.
So
we need
what you
to,
can do,
we need to cut it.
no, I can put the fish first. Then you can move this one, put on top or on the side after putting that one. Let's
Like
do this
that?
way, yeah.
Yeah.
And this one will
Yes, and some garlic.
okay. We have to put also some
And some-
salt. Like,
And some salt. Or water salt.
no, you have to put like that way. Yeah.
And some more for me.
Okay.
Oh, I'm going to wake it. Oh. So good.
Okay, don't touch.
And the
Clean your
onion.
hands first of all. Clean your hands. Okay, so this one is going to be full like that way.
That's and more right there. And more right there.
Then let's.
And more right there.
It's okay. Let's put the other fish
And another fish.
on
That-
this one.
We need to cut that
You have
side.
to cut the.
Oh, it's so big.
It's so big too. Oh, sorry.
It got me right. It got me right.
Let's cut this
The way
one.
the feather. That way the feather. That way the feather.
Okay.
That way the feather.
Yeah. So okay.
Yes.
Put it this way. Let your hands. Nipe mkono. Put some salt. You know how to put the salt.
Yes. Oh, and some more for me. And some more.
Don't leak.
And some
Okay.
more.
Then put some of this one.
Some.
Not a lot. Just
Not a
small
lot. Where it mo? The
Yeah.
mo?
amount. Just put some over there.
And some. I
You
want to
can
get
take
some.
tomato, bell pepper, whatever you want to
Oh,
mix.
onions.
Yeah, put some onions.
It just do it that. Eat in. Oh, that.
Yeah, you can open like that way. It's okay.
Yeah. Let it open right that way. That okay. Oh, poke a hole. Hole. And some peppers and some
Garlic.
And I want to have it.
Put some garlic over there.
Some garlic on my hands. And some,
Okay.
and some more
bell
garlic.
peppers. No, garlic is enough.
Okay. And some.
Okay, so we don't need to put
tomato.
it too much because this is going to the bottom. So just wait. Let's see.
Some
if to-
breeze and some breeze and some
have to put some lemon.
tomato juice.
Okay, put some lemon.
Here.
Okay, on the side. Just mix things here. Side.
I want to do that. Baba, I want one for me.
Okay.
But I want.
No, just do when this one is closer.
And freeze.
Okay, so once we finish like this way, the next step, okay, Natasha.
It's heat.
Enough, cracker.
And more in it.
Okay, we cover on that one, and we put this one here. Just wait. Let me give you something to dry your hands. Clean your hands. Then what we do, we just put it here. Yeah, we have to clean it.
Yeah.
Yeah, so just wait.
Garlic is so good.
Okay, so we're going to clean up this one.
Maybe we try the garlic and
So
it'll be good.
once you have this one here,
Yes.
once you have this one here, we are going to turn it on. So you turn it on. Usually for this one, we usually put it 30 minutes or even 45 minutes.
Oh.
So you see,
10 minutes.
45. But within 30 minutes, it will be done. So once it will be done, it will come to zero.
Wait,
Then boom, ready to eat.
Like this. Ding, ding. Like that. Ding.
Yeah, then we'll be ready to eat. So we'll come back again to show you once everything is ready, how it look like. Ready to be eaten.
Yes, we go inside and we check.
Yeah, we'll go inside to check and then we come back.
Yes.
Okay, so we are back again, right? We said it will take like 30 minutes, 45 minutes.
Yes.
So if we look, it's almost ready. Ready. So let's open and see what happens. Okay, it's very, you see like the steam coming out?
Water!
That is the steam, very, hot.
We didn't put the water on.
And then we see like this is very hot.
Baba, baby.
So I want to show people, let me close this one. You want to stand?
Yeah.
Okay, you can stand or you can kneel down, whatever.
Yeah.
So this is how it look like, you see?
Well,
Yeah.
would I?
So let's do it together, Claire.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. You see, that is the fish.
Maybe we see.
Take the veg and put it on the side. No, with this one. Okay, put it on the side.
That bread. Ew.
It's crunchy.
I would do that.
Okay, do it. Okay. Okay, let's put this. Let it.
There.
Pour it.
I just touched that.
Yeah, a little bit of discipline. Okay, not touching anything. Okay, so that is done. So, but how it looks like not cooked, but it's very done. Even that one is also done. So I just want to make sure that you see how it looks like.
Hello, this is ready, this is ready, this is ready.
And what is this one?
Fish and veggies. This
What veggie did we put?
tomato and onions and garlic and peppers and carrots.
And what is inside here? What is inside here?
Fish and garlic and everything else.
Yeah, so it's steamed, cooked.
Yes.
And what do we have on that side?
Fish
Yeah, and goat meat.
and
So, yeah, that is very good. We did a very good job, Claire.
yeah. We need to take this off and put another fish on here.
Okay.